Yo, what's good, everyone? We're back in another video here today. In today's video, I'm just, well, as you see from the title, just finishing up the schoolwork that I did from previously, and just kind of didn't say what I did, but just showing you all, as I said, in my previous stream, just showing you all different perspectives on how you can use ChatGPT or whatever. I mean, I always say ChatGPT. I mean, I don't think Gemini or DeepSeek are really or Grok is good at ChatGPT. So yeah, man, that's sure now how to use ChatGPT to, basically speed up your assignments, man. Like just in a couple of hours, you can basically have a full assignment completed. I mean, obviously you may have to change this to the words and whatever, and that may take up a few time. But the point about is that instead of you, taking 6 to 8 hours every day, especially to if some of you are working, right? I mean, all you can do is just type your assignment into ChatGPT and bang, it comes with information for you. And yeah, man, you have a fully functional report that you can just put in your own words with the references, and you're chilling basically. So yeah, we're just gonna get into that in today's video. And yeah, make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, and yeah, let's hopefully this will be informative one for all of you all, as I try my best to do that every single day. And let's like really not take that long, so let me just switch my screen real quick if I can just find it. All right, there we go. So if I just move this to the side. So yeah, you can see that so I'm still finishing up the curriculum week that I had. I mean, right now we're on the career plan part of it. So I'm just going to finish up the career plan, and then once I finish the career plan, we move into the other one, which is the UX design as well. So we're just gonna do the career part first, and then we'll get, because I mean there's technically 3 parts to this. Well, I think I said technically 4. Well, yeah, because I have this one here. I have the career plan, then the okay, honestly, let's just say 3. There's a 3-part way to this, right? So we're just gonna get into that in today's video here. And yeah, so what the first thing I wanted to do was if I scroll back down. So this was really good. I like this. This was really good. But there's one thing that there's an issue with this first part here, right? I think I said I was going with it with year 1. I was just using it year 1. So so if I go back to what I was supposed to do for this part, right? Let me just find the documents real quick. So yeah, documents. So there's a task 1 and task 1 and task 3, right? So I already did task 1, which was if I scroll back up, yeah, the task 1, which is say was it already written in the last version, so keep it, scroll back up. Right, so yeah, the career plan. So this was it right here. So 1 year after graduation. So this was the career plan, and what the task 1 said was develop a 1 year, 5 year, and 10 year career plan. This activity will mark your start thinking where you want to be, what you want to do, and how much income you would like to achieve in 1 year, 5 years, and 10 years after graduation. Then the task 2 was to look through the job sites, example like LinkedIn, Indeed, Monster, Total job.ac.uk, and specific company job sites such as Facebook, Google, Microsoft. And it said identify jobs that fit into different stages of your career plan. Then it also said that for task 3, that study the job advertisements and identify what are the required skills and knowledge to wait, what are the required skills and knowledge. I think there's a typo in this one. This is supposed to be, so task 3 is supposed to be study the job advertisements and identify what are the requirements, skills, what are the required skills and knowledge to get the job, and identify the gaps between what you have got and what is required for those jobs, right? So what I have to do is so I have to write all three here, right? I have to write all three here because that's what lecture told me to do. And then from there is that I can choose whichever one. So I will go with year one, and then so sorry, okay, let me explain this much more clearer. So task one is pretty much as you're seeing it right here. So this is task one, right? And then task two is to take from whichever year, right? That I would like to choose from. I would have to like look on it on like LinkedIn or company websites or whatever, like Indeed and these websites, and then it's like to identify the jobs that fit basically within like a 1 year or a 5 year or a 10 year period basically. And then the saying from there now is that study the job advertisement, see now what the jobs have, and like matching basically what skills that you have versus what the skills that they are asking for. So that's pretty much what I have to do. So we're just gonna get into this really quick, and let me, sorry, I didn't mean to move that. Well, I need to move it. Let me move this here and pull this back here, right? So I said, I'm hoping I can finish this by today. I'm really hoping I can finish this by today. So let's now move on to career plan, right? And as I said, what I like to do is I'll copy the first paragraph, put it right here, and from there and from here, pretty much basically what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to re-explain this paragraph in my own words so that I don't get plagiarized, basically. So what we're just gonna do is just basically change this right here. So let me think about it. So first, let me just read it, and then I'll dive into changing it. So my goal in the first year after graduation is to secure a role as a junior web developer with a local or regional company. This position will allow me to apply my skills in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and basic backend development while also learning about working in a professional development environment. I aim to earn entry-level salary that supports my independency while continuing to build my portfolio with real-world projects. Within this time, I also intend to earn certifications such as responsive web design or JavaScript or JavaScript development certifications to strengthen my technical profile. So this reads like a good profile, right? Sorry, like a good career plan. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna have to change this now. So I'll be like, my plan in my year, first year, I guess I can say, hold on, let me make this slightly a bit bigger. Yeah, so I'll be like, my plan in my first year after graduation, spell that wrong, after graduation is to land a role as a junior web developer. I get so my plan in my first year after graduation is to land a role as a junior web developer with a local or regional company. I guess I can put with a, well, yeah, I guess with a, my plan after graduation is to land a role as a junior web developer. What other word and wit I can use here though is what I'm trying to think of. I guess secure Solani role as junior. I don't like. I need to change this word with to something. So my plan in my first year after graduation is to land a role as a junior web developer through a local. Nah, I don't like that. With a regional regional or local. I guess I could say local business, and then I'll be like, the position will allow me to apply my skills in HTML and working. This role will will this role will this role will this role will grant. Nah, this role will was another word for allow. Permit. Yeah, I like the word permit. This role will permit me to apply my knowledge in JavaScript, CSS, CSS, and that's wrong, and HTML. Um, and basic backend development while also learning about working in a be like, so JavaScript. I'll be like, okay, so JavaScript. I'll be like, I guess I can say servers, CSS and HTML, while also developing myself to work in a professional environment. All right. Then I'll be like, I aim to earn an entry-level salary that supports my independence while continuing to build my portfolio with real projects. So my aim is to earn entry-level salary that supports, that I'll be like, assists with, yeah, wait, how is that spelled? Wait, okay. That assists, I can say, my aim is to earn entry-level salary that assists my independence while, what's another word for continuing? While ongoing to build my portfolio, while I'm going to, what's the word I'm looking for here? My aim is to earn entry-level salary that assists my independence while ongoing building real and link my portfolio with real world projects. I see that real world applications be like that. And then I'm going to say, and say within this time, I also intend to earn certification as, okay, then this time I also intend to earn certification such as, right, and I'll be like, also within this time, what's another word for intend? Oh, I'll be like, I aim to earn certifications. What's the other word for certifications? I got it. Also, I aim to earn certifications. What's another word for such as? I need another word for such as. I'll be like, okay, I could be like, for so I aim to earn certifications. Well, not I'll keep it now, such as Java, scripts, the developer certification, and responsive web design. Spell that wrong. To strengthen my technical ability. To improve my what's another word for technical? Mechanical. I use it to improve my technical profile. Right, so that is done. So that's year one. Well, I'd be like 1 year plan. And then let's go to 5-year plan. Let me remove this one now. I think this is a header on its own as well. I think I should maybe make this why both of them switch though? Well, why is it, bro? Let me make this a heading too. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me just change all this, body online, then make this black, then bang. All right, so that's that, then heading 2, put this as a heading 2. And then let's get the 5-year plan now. Copy this, and let's put this back right here so that you all can see, right? And then let's enter this. And then now let's go to this one. So you say within 5 years, I plan to advance into a full stack developer role. This will involve gaining experience with both front-end and back-end frameworks such as React, Node, and MongoDB while managing databases and cloud deployment. I also aim to work on large-scale applications for international clients, which will improve my adaptability and technical depth. By this stage, I would like to mentor junior developer contributing to open source. Currently, I expect to earn a high salary that provides me with stability and opportunity to invest in further my education and personal goals. Okay, this reads good. So I'll be like speaking about this really is good. So let me read back my year one plan though. So my plan in my first year after graduation is to land a role as a junior web developer with a regional or local business. This role will permit me to apply my knowledge in JavaScript, servers, CSS, and HTML, while also while also development or while also developing while also developing myself to work in a professional environment. My aim is to earn entry-level salary that assists my independence while I'm going to build my portfolio with real-world applications. Also within this time, I aim to earn certifications such as JavaScript development certification and responsive web design to improve my technical profile. All right, that reads good to me. I don't know what you all think about that. That reads good to me. Put this on the man. So let's go with the year five now. So I'll be like within 5 years I plan to. So I'll be like I need to find another word for within. Another word for within. Okay, I don't think there's a word. So within five. Nah, within 5 years, my plan, my aim, I should say, my aim is is to is to what's another word for advance? Is to advance into a full stack developer role. This will involve gaining experience with I'll be like this process involves having experience experience with both back end and front end frameworks frameworks such as Node, such as MongoDB, Node.js, and React. Oh, while managing database and cloud development, this frameworks such as MongoDB and React. While managing databases and cloud deployment, while managing databases and cloud deployment, I mean, how can I add this on I mean like also managing I mean like also managing cloud deployments and databases. I also aim to work on large-scale applications for international clients, which improve my adaptability and technical depth. That'd be like my plan is to work on global, I guess. Work on global applications for international companies, right? Which will improve my, which will, which will, there's another word for improve, which will, and which will, I need another word for improve, which will progress, expand. Yeah, I like expand, which will expand my adapt. Well, let's go with expand my technical depth and adaptability. Let's go with that. I spelled depth wrong. DPTH and adaptability. Right. And then let's go with, and the same, by this stage, I would like to mentor. I'll be like, by this journey, what's another, let's see, what's another first stage? Okay, I like phase or period. Period, by this period, I would like to mentor. By this period, I would like to mentor junior develop. Well, I'd be like, at this period, I would like, but we also and possibly small teams. I would like to lead small teams. Contribute, and another word for contribute. May remove this. Word for contribute. I guess assist, pay on the right, subsidize. I would like to lead small teams. I'll be like assist in open source applications and mentor junior developers. All right, spell that wrong. Then financially, I expect to earn a high salary that provides me with stability and opportunity to invest in further education and personal goals. So I can be like, financially, I expect to earn high. What's another word for financially? Okay, nah, there's no word. All right, cool. I'll be like financially, what am I looking for? Financially, I expect. What's another word for expect? I don't say like demand though. Songs. What the hell? So I'll be like, finally, I expect to earn I expect to earn a high salary that allows me to have stability I expect to earn a high salary that allows me to invest in furthering my education and having stability, I guess, and having stability. So financially, I expect it to earn a high salary that allows me to invest in furthering my education and having stability. Yeah, I'll stick with that. So to read back this, let's remove this now. So within 5 years, my aim is to advance into a full stack developer role. This process involves having experience with both back-end and front-end frameworks such as MongoDB, Node.js, and React, also managing cloud deployments and databases. My plan is to work on global applications for international companies, which will expand my technical depth and adaptability. By this period, I would like to lead small teams, assist in open source applications, and mentor junior developers. Financially, I expect to earn a high salary that allows me to furthering, invest in further, furthering my edu- wait. Financially, I expect to earn a high salary that allows me to invest in further, well, actually be like invest. I give me the financial expect to earn a high salary that allows me to further my education. I like that. Allows me to further. Be like allows me to invest. I give me allows me to. Allows me to invest into my education. I don't know, and having and having stability. So financially, I expect to earn a high salary that allows me to invest into my education and having stability. Right? So that is that. Then let's move on to year 10 now. My 10 goal plan supposed to be. So let's go to 10 now. 10 year plan. Let's copy this there, paste that, then heading 2. Right, and I don't know why I did that. So to read the 10-year plan, so 10 years after graduation, my career objective is to become a lead web developer or solution architect. In this role, I would oversee development teams, manage projects, and make key technical decisions that shape applications and platforms. I also plan to specialize in areas such as AI-powered applications or cloud-based solutions to stay ahead of industry demands. Beyond technical growth, I want to start offering consultation services to small businesses in the Caribbean, helping them expand digitally. At this stage, I would like to have a strong professional reputation, an advanced income level, and a career that balances leadership, creativity, and technical expertise. So I'll be like my 10-year plan after graduation. So my 10-year plan after graduation is to become, so my 10-year plan after graduation is to become a a lead web developer. I'll be like become a solutions architect or a lead web developer. Right, put that there. Then let's go to in this role, I would so in this role I would oversee developments. I can be like I'd be like this role requires me to and make key technical decisions that shape applications and platforms. Well, I'd be like allows me to so this role requires me to make key technical make important, I should say, important technical decisions. I'd be like manage projects and oversee development teams. Right. So that is that. Then I also plan to specialize in areas such as AI-powered applications or cloud-based solutions to stay ahead of the industry demands. So I can be like what I can say here. What can I say here? What can I say here? What can I say? I also plan to specialize in areas such as AI-powered applications. I can be like, I can be like my aim is to specialize in areas such as cloud-based solutions and AI powered applications to be ahead of industry in to be ahead of, I guess I can say that, industrial demands. Right, then I'd be like, beyond technical growth, I want to start offering consultation. I'd be like, I also would like to offer consult con consult consultations to local companies by helping them expand digitally, right? And then cloud-based digitally consultations. Right, then at this stage, I would like to have a strong professional reputation and advanced income level. I'd be like at this level, I would like to, I'd be like at this level, and it create imbalances. At this level, I would like to have I would like to have a balance of leadership I would like to have a balance of techn I mean like a balance of creativity and leadership. Also having an advanced income. Oh damn bro, my eyes are killing me here a bit man. Also having an advanced income and a strong reputation. Right, so that is done. Remove this now. So my 10-year plan after graduation is to become a solutions architect or a lead web developer. This role requires me to make important technical decisions, manage projects, and oversee development teams. My aim is to specialize in areas such as cloud-based solutions and AI-powered applications to be ahead of industrial demands. I also would like to offer consultation to local companies by helping expand by helping them or by helping them expand digitally. And at this level, I would like to have a balance of creativity and leadership, also having an advanced income and a strong reputation. Right? So that reads good, right? So what we're going to do, so this is for career plan, right? You see that we're kind of cutting it to time now. So what we're going to do now is move on to task two, which is, let me just find it real quick. So I just had to choose like out of these three plans I mentioned, I just have to choose one out of them, right? And just basically continue with them. And you know, just read back what I had to do. Right, let's find back up. Let me find this real quick. So what you see just is what we did in task one. So task two now is that I have to look through job sites like like LinkedIn, Indeed, or like Microsoft, Google, whatever, and like I have to look through those jobs and then identify the jobs that fit into the different stage of your career plan. So mean that the career plan 1, 5, or 10 or whatever, I have to now choose one out of them and basically like just continue from there basically. So what we're going to do in task two is task. So we're going to find that so for my 1 year plan, right? So because I'm going to with 1 year, if I go with the 1 year, what would what would I have to I say identify jobs that fit into different stages of your career plan. So all right. So what I'm doing is identifying jobs that fit between these different career plans, and I just have to choose one. So I'm going with the 1 year career plan. So that's what I'm planning to do right now. So I'm gonna look back through all this. Sorry, go back through this. So let me pull this back up now. So I said that I'll go with year one, right? So you see real job advertisement for career stages. So I'll go with this one here, and then I will just basically take this here, and I'm not sure if I have actually I have to like I'm not too entirely sure how I have to do this, but um I'm guessing let me just copy this whole entire one. Let's move this back here. Wait, hold on, let me make sure. Okay. All right, let's go to heading 2, and I'll make this, I will make this, I guess career stages, all right? And then I said I copied this. So, oh wait, it didn't copy properly. Hold on. All right. So, and let me just to show that these things here are real as well. Let me just pull this up. Well, hopefully there isn't really anything. Nah, it looks clean. Yeah, you're not gonna see anything. All right. So pretty much this is a job it's linking me to basically. So you can see this is a job right here. So junior web developer, stage him 3 years ago, hybrid full time. Now you'll see all the responsibilities and stuff like that. So yeah, see it right there. But let me say exit, but let me just have it to the side here just in case. All right. So um so I'll be like 1 year. Well, I'll be like year 1 entry level slash junior web developer. Then let me pull this up. Be like junior web developer, the Black Sun Studio. I don't know what is happening there. The Black Sun Studio. No, okay, let me remove these things here. Um, I'll be like I guess let me just put link, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm not too sure exactly how you're supposed to put this together though, because it's not really like the way how they put the way how the lecture put it, he didn't really specify though. So yeah. So link to, and then let me just, yeah, I'll just put a link towards this then. Get the link. Yeah, so that is that for that. And then let's go to task 3. Let me make sure. So an individual that fit into different stages of your career path. So yeah, I guess I guess I linked in. I'm guessing I hit it though, but we'll see. Could find back what I'm looking at. Then let's go to task 3 now. Oh wait, it was sending me to somewhere else. Hold on. I just gotta change the name of this company because it's giving me two different ones. Hold on. Tap on this one real quick. Yeah, this is the company it's giving me now. Some 1 year ago. See the brief all these things here pretty much basically 1 2 year to say all have all these things here. So let's pull this back up to the side and let me now switch. So then go with ATADPELLIGE. Right. Then let me copy the link from this. Right, let's go back to right. So now gonna be maybe like skills. So skills requirements, the requirements and gap and gaps. Let's move this here and then let's go to heading 2. And I may have to zoom out here a bit. Okay, let me go back to this now. You say for those jobs. Yes, you say sorry, and if I so what I would do. Oh, shout out to GC, shout out to JC Kukuwap. Shout out to you, man. Hope you're having a good day. A good day, man. Let me go back to. I'm looking for it though. Where's my screen? Ah, there it is. Oh, I'm doing a school assignment. That's what I'm working on right now. So I have this assignment that I have to finish for Thursday. So I'm basically showing in this video how you can use ChatGPT to pretty much do your assignments quickly. And I mean, I can just show you an example right here. I mean, you can go back when the stream is over. You can see that I pretty much basically use ChatGPT to help me with my assignments. So yeah, you can see that all this right here. And I break it down further in my previous streams where exactly I went through the whole rundown on how you can do it. So you can watch this after the stream here is over. You can go back to that stream and you would see how I basically come to the results that I've gotten from ChatGPT here. So that's pretty much what we're doing in today's stream. Let me copy this now, paste this. Oh, nice. I'm actually currently working on assignment 1. Wait, nice. I'm actually currently working on assignment. I will definitely watch the content. Yeah, man, I appreciate it, man, and I appreciate the follow as well. And I said, hopefully that what I said in those previous videos, are informative to you. I'm sorry, I keep forgetting that I have another screen here, so I'm watching. My bad. But now I hope that that the video would help you out, because I did say that I kind of went into a bit detail on how you can use it. It's very simple. It's really not that hard to do. So all you just have to do, man, just tell ChatGPT about your assignment, put in the guidance for it, and yeah, man, it pretty much will do all the work for you. So instead of you having to spend like 8-10 hours, especially if you're working. I'm not sure if you're working, but if you have to work and also you have to do assignments, it's like that's going to be a lot of stress on you. So imagine that you can just going to ChatGPT, type your assignment to it, and it gives you it gives you an assignment in within the snap of your finger. So yeah, man, just um look at the video, and you get your I'm sure that it will be a help for you, man. So sorry, let's go back to this though. I'm pretty much almost done. I just have this one part to finish, and I'm done with this assignment. And then for next stream, I'll do my other assignment. So let me control V on this though, and I'll be like, so current stage is, should I put this on a table, man? Should I already put this on a table? Uh, is what is. I don't think I should put this on a table, man. A table may not be too. Nah, I won't put this in a table. Alright, let's go with current. Sorry. So career stage, and I'll be like, damn it, man. Should I really put this in a table, bro? Gosh, I'll put this in a table, man. Alright, let's go to table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's go to down to this. But it says 2. Yeah, whatever, blah blah blah. Home. Then put this as career stage. Put this as bolds. Right. Then let me go with 1 year slash junior web developer. Then let's go with sample job. Let's go with job, and then let's put ADPLLIDNT junior web developer. ADT junior developer. Then let's go with key skills and responsibilities. Key skills and requirements. And then let's put in HTML, CSS, JavaScript basics. Well, I don't think, let me see. Use clean, efficient code. I mean, I'm guessing copy all this, right? Gosh, damn it. Okay, let me maybe okay, let me try to move this here a bit, then expand this. Hold on. Expand this. But this is way too long, man. Alright, I may have to just delete all this. It needs to summarize this though, because it's saying that, but let's go back to this. Yeah, this is not. See, this is why I didn't want to put it in a table though. Okay, you know what? I'll come back to that, man. I'll try to figure out a way to put this together because okay, you know what? I'm being very harsh upon myself, so let me just do this instead. Career stage. If the lecturer wants me to put this into a into a table, then I'll go ahead and put it into a table. Shoot, I didn't mean to zoom in there. My bad. But I mean, this isn't going to look that good though. Why is it keep doing this though? What the hell? Stop. Ooh, right. Let's copy and then let's go back and copy all these things here. Let's control C this. All right, let me delete. Delete cell. Delete table. Right, so career stage, job, key skills on this. Let's move to there. Right. And then let's go to my current skills. And let's go with, so my current skills would be HTML, CSS, Java, Java, scripts, React, and Git. All right. And then let's go with skill gaps. Copy this. Okay, why did it do this? Hold on. All right. So deeper experience in real projects, understanding frameworks, and exposure to code versions in teams can contribute to open source freelance small projects. Take a front end framework. Did it specify that I had to explain that? Let's say just study the job I did for what the requirements, skills, and knowledge are. They study job and identify what are the requirements, skills, and knowledge to get the job, and identify the between what you have got and what is required for those jobs. So I'm guessing that, well, didn't I don't think it really asks for, let's say, an event gaps between what you have. So gap is that, so skill gap is that deeper. So my skill back will be deeper experience in real projects, understanding frameworks, and exposure to code and versioning teams. So is that that could be a lack in experience in real world projects, lack experience with 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 code versioning in teams, understanding understanding frameworks and and in real world projects. Yeah. Right, let's copy this and minus that. Then it says that then it asks for what we're looking for. So it says that if I go back to it, what the hell is it? So it says so study job advertise and identify what are the requirements, skills and knowledge to get the job and identify the gaps between. Okay, so yeah, it's pretty much just a copy. I wonder if it's just a copy this though. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm wondering if I have to copy this whole entire if I had to copy this whole entire process though. Because I'm trying to read from the document if I have to copy this. So the task she says study the job advertisement. Sorry. Study the job advertisement and identify what are the required skills and knowledge how to get the job and identify the gaps between what you have got and what is required for those jobs. You know, I guess I can stick with this, man. If more needs to be required, well then I would see. But I guess this should be it, man. Yeah, this should be it. So let me go back up, screw back up. So yeah, this is everything basically that I've done so far. I think I've created the CV and the career plan correctly. So I'm making sure everything is good. Yeah, I guess I can stick with this. So we'll see. We'll see. But to me, I think this is good. This is completed. Whatever tweaks I have to make, I would see what my lecturer says. But yeah, I think I'll call it today with this one. So but yeah, so hope this was an informative video for you all. I hope that you all learned a lot from this. I said if you all are wondering how I got to this point, basically I just used ChatGPT and I basically explained my assignment to it, and it pretty much produced all you're seeing in this Word document right now. So yeah, man, if you all want to figure out how I did this, I said look in the previous video that I did before. It will show you the processes that I went through to create this like information that I have so far. So or create this document that I have so far. And yeah. So but yeah. I'll call it a day there. Hopefully this was, as I said, it was an informative one for you all. Make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, and follow as well on the journey I'm doing right now. And yeah, man, I'll catch you back in another video tomorrow where we going through the other modules that I have to complete. So yeah, as I said, I'll catch you back in another one. You have a good one, man. Peace.